You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to make app folders on your iPhone to organize your home screen. First, navigate to the home screen page where the apps you want to folder are located. Press and hold lightly on any app icon until all the icons start to jiggle. While they are jiggling, drag one app icon directly on top of another app icon you want to group it with. Release your finger, and a new folder will automatically be created containing both apps. The iPhone will suggest a folder name based on the app categories, but you can tap the name field at the top of the folder to rename it to anything you like. To add more apps to this folder, simply drag additional jiggling icons into the open folder. You can have many apps inside a single folder, and you can swipe left and right inside the folder to access different pages of apps. To remove an app from a folder, open the folder, press and hold an app inside it until it jiggles, then drag it out of the folder and back onto the main home screen. When you are finished organizing, press the Done button in the top right corner or press your iPhone's Home button to stop the jiggling and save your new folder layout. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.